a wall of water, towering high above buildings, crashing onto the shore with unimaginable force. This is the terrifying reality of a tsunami, a natural disaster capable of causing widespread destruction. The term tsunami comes from the Japanese words tsu, harbor, and nami, wave, describing waves that travel thousands of miles at incredible speeds. Unlike regular waves, tsunamis are caused by seismic events. These sloshes are what we know as tsunamis. By learning about their causes and effects, we can better prepare and protect ourselves. The Earth's crust is a dynamic and restless entity, constantly shifting and grinding beneath our feet. These movements can unleash tremendous energy, giving rise to tsunamis. The most common cause of these waves is underwater earthquakes. Imagine two tectonic plates colliding beneath the ocean. The immense pressure can cause one plate to slip beneath the other, a process known as subduction. This sudden displacement acts like a giant paddle, generating a tsunami. By monitoring seismic activity, scientists can provide timely alerts and help minimize the impact of these events. The birth of a tsunami might begin with a barely noticeable tremor on the ocean floor, a subtle ripple that betrays the immense energy unleashed beneath. As the displaced water column seeks equilibrium, it generates a series of waves that radiate outwards from the source, much like ripples in a pond. However, unlike the gentle undulations of a pond, tsunami waves travel at incredible speeds, often exceeding 500 miles per hour in the open ocean. Imagine a jet plane hurtling across the water's surface. That's how fast these waves can travel. Yet despite their speed, tsunami waves in the open ocean are surprisingly inconspicuous. The distance between successive wave crests, known as the wavelength, can be hundreds of miles long, while the wave height, or amplitude, might be just a few feet. As the tsunami approaches shallower coastal waters, the situation changes dramatically. The shallowing seafloor compresses the wave's energy, causing the wavelength to decrease and the wave height to increase dramatically. The devastating impact of tsunamis. The arrival of a tsunami is a terrifying spectacle of nature's raw power. The sea, typically a source of tranquility and life, transforms into a raging torrent, unleashing its fury upon unsuspecting coastlines. The initial drawdown of water as the wave trough arrives first can be deceptive, luring people into a false sense of security before the monstrous wave crest crashes ashore. Buildings, roads, and infrastructure crumble under the sheer weight and force of the water. The relentless surge can inundate entire coastal communities, leaving behind a trail of devastation and debris. Boats and cars are tossed around like toys, highlighting the immense power of these waves. Beyond the immediate physical damage, tsunamis leave behind a legacy of trauma and loss. The psychological scars of witnessing such a catastrophic event can linger long after the waters recede. Staying safe in the face of danger. Tsunami preparedness. While tsunamis are a force of nature, understanding their behavior and heeding warning signs can mean the difference between life and death. The key to survival lies in preparedness and swift action. Coastal communities vulnerable to tsunamis often have designated evacuation routes, clearly marked to guide residents to higher ground. Familiarize yourself with these routes and have a plan in place for your family and loved ones. In the event of a tsunami warning, time is of the essence. Don't wait for visual confirmation. Evacuate immediately to a safe location. Pay attention to natural warnings. If you feel a strong earthquake that lasts for more than 20 seconds, or if you notice an unusual rise or fall in sea level, it could be a sign of an impending tsunami. Trust your instincts and seek higher ground immediately. Tsunamis, a force of nature demanding respect. Tsunamis stand as a testament to the awe-inspiring power of the natural world, a force capable of both destruction and renewal. While we cannot prevent these events, understanding their causes, characteristics, and potential consequences empowers us to respond more effectively and minimize their impact. From the depths of the ocean to the shores we call home, tsunamis remind us of the interconnectedness of our planet and the importance of respecting the delicate balance of nature. By heeding the warnings, preparing for the worst, and learning from past events, we can build more resilient communities and safeguard ourselves against the fury of the waves. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others. And write your thoughts about this fascinating nature life in the comment column below.